Hi all, this is Isabel with Mama Marketing Consulting, and I'm going to talk about 3 organic, or in other words, free ways with tips and tricks on how to increase page traffic, post engagement, and overall following on Instagram. I first wanted to touch on organic posts and some tips and tricks to help those succeed on Instagram. So here's a great example of an organic post. It's from this cute boutique I follow, and I think it's a great example of what you can do for your company. First, the image here is tagged with a link to a website to buy this product, which is a great practice if you're selling anything online, because more and more people are starting to buy products from their phones. Second, I would like to point out what their caption is like. It grabs people's attention with the all caps and the exclamation points. And then it also asks a question, which is good because this increases engagement on your posts and just makes people interact with your company more. To create a post, all you have to do is click on the little plus sign at the bottom of your phone, and then we can go on from there. First, select an image you want to post, and then you can edit this image. Instagram offers a lot of filters, but I'm not a huge fan of any of the filters they offer. And so I would maybe find another program. I like to use VSCO, spelled VSCO, which is another app I have on my phone, and it gives you a lot more options and ways to edit your images. I would also recommend, when you are picking a filter, to stick to the same filter for all your photos. Just like your company has a logo and maybe company colors, a filter sort of becomes part of your company image. And so you just really need to make sure that all your images look similar, have that same style, and that people will relate to your company more. You can then add a caption, and remember to make this catchy with a question to increase engagement. I would also suggest adding hashtags, which we'll talk about later. You can then tag people and add a location, and then even post this image to Facebook or other social platforms that are connected to your Instagram. Next, I want to talk about giveaways. In some ways, giveaways aren't exactly organic or free because you have to give stuff away, which costs you money. But the post is free, and I just think it's another great way to increase followers and engagement, so I really wanted to talk about it. This giveaway post is another example from a cute boutique I follow. First, I'd like to talk about the image. This image really grabs people's attention because there's a $1,000 in the image, so that leads people to want to read the caption. Then, in the caption, we're given more details for this awesome giveaway. So here we read that Ruli is giving away a $1,000 shopping spree right in time for Christmas. And then they give the details to enter. So first, you have to follow their company. Then you have to like and save the post, and then you're asked to tag some friends. They also say you have better chances of winning if you tag more friends and post this post to your story. As we can see, this post has a ton of comments and engagement, which is also what you want. When people tag their friends will also go to this post, want to enter this giveaway, so they'll tag more of their friends, and so it's just this ever-increasing cycle of increasing the engagement on your post and increasing the followers. As a company, you may choose to do a giveaway differently, but I think this is one of the most common giveaway types I've seen, and I also think if it's not broken, why fix it? This, again, it increases followers' engagement, which is really what you want and what your goal is on social media. Lastly, I wanted to touch on hashtags because in a way they're like SEO or search engine optimization of Instagram. When someone clicks on the little search icon at the bottom of the page, they can then search for people, pages, or hashtags. Like I said, someone can search for hashtags. For example, if someone wanted to find a wedding dress, they may search for hashtag wedding dress in the search bar. This would then pull up all the posts that have hashtag wedding dress in the caption or in the comments. I could then click on a dress I like, look at that post, maybe go to that page of the company that has that dress, and look at all the other dresses they have on that page. If I'm still interested, then I may click on the website link in their bio. So, Hashtags are like SEO because they increase traffic to your page and to your website when people search for products or services related to the hashtags you have. If you do not have hashtags in your post, it'll never pop up in a search, and so you will lose that chance of increasing your following and page traffic, and maybe even website traffic. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully, if you're on a tight budget, this really helps you get your feet off the ground and start to increase sales without having to spend a lot of money. If you do have a bigger marketing budget and are wondering how you can maybe promote posts or leverage influencers, I hope to make a video soon on how to do that.